Hi there. Just want to say this wonderful world of film industry that I work in, things have changed. So we've had to change the open day date. I will still be doing a live demo on the day with some of out of my kit looks and some of my favourite things that I like to always have in my kit. I'm going to go through some of the design process of some of the creations that I've done on my films that you would like to see. I will be sharing with you my on-set must-haves that you always will need, and hopefully give you some inspiration about what to do and be involved in this industry. You will have the opportunity to talk to me about the new courses that are coming up in 2022 and what it takes to become a makeup artist and how wonderful it will be when you are one. For those of you who can't actually attend, we're going to be live streaming on our TV channel on Instagram, and again you'll find the details in the bio. Really look forward to seeing you and talking with you a few things and getting you inspired.